Hello students, how are you? I hope everyone fit and fine. So students, today I am starting your first lesson of computer. Name of lesson is evolution of computer. So first of all, you know about evolution of a computer means development of computer means growth of your computer. So just you come on the first paragraph. Here first paragraph, your every aspect of our life in this era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as computer. Initially computer were used only by scientists or engineer for complex calculation and were very expensive, but nowadays computer can afforded by small organization and even individual. Computer have now become a basic necessity because of their use the almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in bank, hospital, media, entertainment industries, school, home, space, research, technology, railway, and your airport. So in this paragraph, you just learn two or three things. First thing you just catch in this paragraph, in the previous time your computer was only useful for the two type of persons, one scientist, second is a engineer, and that time computer was very expensive, but nowadays it is affordable for the everyone. So now you see in various places your computer is available now. For example, bank, hospital, media and entertainment industry, school, homes and your research center, and next your railways and airports. So come on next paragraph. The term computer derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, but the computer is not limited to perform only calculations. A computer is versatile device. It can handle different applications at the same time. So in our second paragraph, here we are discussing कि how computer word is come in the existence. So first your computer word derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, but not only in this time the purpose of computer is calculation. In this time your computer is very important for everyone. So it means we can say this is versatile device. Versatile means here just all round good. So just you come on next paragraph, our third paragraph. Do you know how the computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier device that were invented doing calculation. Let us glance through the major milestone in the journey leading the evolution of present day computer. So in your computer day by day some changes completed. So now your computer is very important for you and all of the world important for the all persons. So just you come on the next topic, our history of computer. The need to keep track a number led to invention of the different calculating device, right on from abacus device. Many devices were invented leading the development of computer. Now see in the paragraph here you are just know about your history of a computer. Every things have a one history, same as computer have history also. So day by day your computer is now changing. So we can say कि computer have also history. So first term we are discussing here calculating related things. So here our first earlier calculating device 3000 BC abacus. Now see firstly here one picture is a downside figure number 1.1 abacus. Now see this picture, I think already you know about this thing. So here first is our point of this. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation developed by China. China have developed the abacus device, or that was the first mechanical device used for calculation. It was made up for wooden frame rod which having beads. Now see here there is a beads and some your just here rods. Okay, just next you come, the frame is divided into two parts. One is heaven, second is your earth. It divided into two parts. Each rod have two beads. See here two beads, and every rod have 5 beads. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can say कि it was used that time for addition, subtractions and your multiplications and division. So now our first thing is completed. Next is Pascal calculator. Now see this the picture. This is a Pascal line, and it is developed by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, in the year of 1642 at the age of 19. So it is used for only the purpose of addition and subtraction. It is used gear, wheel and dials. See upside of this picture, that is some things is available. So here your gear, wheels and dials available. So see next point, the gear principle was further employed in the mechanical calculator. Taximeter is perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Now see here you example in your society. So have you seen your taximeter? So this that type of technology available in the taximeters also. Next one is Leibniz calculator. Leibniz calculator, famous German mathematician, improved the Pascal machine in the 1671. Leibniz calculator was mechanical device. Apart from the performing addition and subtractions, the Leibniz computer could even do multiplication, division and find square root. Only difference between Pascal calculator and Leibniz calculator is mainly it do 3 work. One, your multiplication, next division, and it can also find the square root. It can also find the square root. So see here figure number 1.3 Leibniz calculator. So both diagram not same, so just you check here. Pascal line diagram is upside and the second is your Leibniz calculator. So today we are discussing only 3 things, your abacus, Pascal line and Leibniz computer. So I hope everyone know about these 3 devices. Okay, thank you.